Hello and welcome guys to a new tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to automatically notify customer when their orders are shipped using the n8n plus ShipStation API plus Microsoft Teams. This approach is 100% different. So this is perfect also for fulfillment teams or internal staff who want real-time shipment updates. You will use the Microsoft Teams incoming webhook for notification. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook trigger. His purpose is to start when the ShipStation sends a webhook for a shipped order. You see ShipStation order shipped on the path. What it does will receive shipment updates instantly from the ShipStation without polling. So the payload will be the order ID, the order number, the customer name, the customer email, the tracking number, the carrier code, the delivery status, and the ship date. After that, you'll have the HTTP node to get the order details. His purpose is to fetch additional order detail from the ShipStation API if webhook doesn't include all necessary info. You see the URL here, for example, SAP ShipStation order JSON order ID. This ensures you have all order info needed for notification, the product, the delivery address, etc. After that, you have the if ship node. If JSON delivery status is equal to shipped, the order will continue to the team's notification. If not, the overflow will stop. So his purpose is to filter only orders that are actually shipped. And finally, you have the HTTP request with the team's notify customer. His purpose is to send a notification to your team's channel so the internal team know the customer has been informed. Configuration is channel webhook URL, your team's webhook URL, or you can use also the Teams node from the n8n. And the message will be like this: order for JSON customer name has shipped, carrier, JSON carrier code tracking number, JSON tracking number, ship date, and the customer email. This will notify the team in real time about the shipped order, including all customer and tracking details. So this was a very simple workflow for beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.